पश्चिम बंगाल के राज्यपाल भारतीय जनता पार्टी के प्रवक्ता के रूप में काम कर रही है। आज पत्रकारों से बातचीत करते हुए जिला तृणमूल कांग्रेस के प्रवक्ता वेदव्रत दत्तो ने ये बात कही। पत्रकार सम्मेलन के माध्यम से वेदव्रत दत्तो ने कहा कि राज्यपाल जगदीप धनखड़ पहाड़ में सिर्फ राजनीति करने आए हैं। उन्होंने आरोप लगाते हुए कहा कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी पश्चिम बंगाल के राज्यपाल को अपनी राजनीतिक लाभ के लिए उपयोग कर रही है। उन्होंने आगे कहा कि पश्चिम बंगाल में कई राज्यपाल रहे, लेकिन जिस तरह वर्तमान में राज्यपाल जगदीप धनखड़ भाजपा के प्रवक्ता के रूप में काम कर रहे हैं वह सही नहीं है।
আমাদের আজকের মেন টপিক হচ্ছে বিজেপি ইউজিং গভর্নর্স অ্যাজ দেয়ার মাউথপিস। When the country is fighting the deadly coronavirus, BJP leaders and workers are only bothered about winning elections. During this time of a health crisis, when leaders like Honorable Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is working tirelessly to ensure safety of the people of Bengal, BJP is only interested in bad-mouthing against the incumbent AITC-run state government. To achieve their political goals, BJP is misusing the governor of West Bengal and using him as their spokesperson. Time and again, we have seen Governor Sri Jagdeep Dhankar to make public statements on the lines of what the BJP party leaders have been saying. Moreover, it is utter shame to see a constitutional post holder such as the governor of a state becoming a puppet of a political party. Governor Dhankar is simply misused that he should be apolitical and keeping himself far away from politics. Holding a constitutional post means that he cannot be biased towards any political party, which is obviously not what is Mr. Dhankar is doing. 1. Governor Dhankar has become a loudspeaker of the BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party. Dhankar was currently in Delhi, and on Thursday, 28th October afternoon, he met Union Home Minister Amit Shah. He later spoke while criticizing the state's deteriorating law and order. The governor also questioned the role of senior IAS and IPS officers of West Bengal. Being the constitutional head of the state, he should have discussed and helped the state government to deal with any such issues if existed, rather than going to Delhi and complain against the state government. 2. In his meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah, he has spoken about the alleged poor law and order situation in Bengal. Mr. Governor should look at the chaos in BJP-ruled Uttar Pradesh before raising a finger on West Bengal. He is providing political help to the saffron camp. 3. It has become quite obvious that Governor Jagdeep Dhankar is just echoing the sentiments of Bharatiya Janata Party leaders like JP Nadda, Tathagato Rai and Dilip Ghosh. Why doesn't he just join active politics? 4. The bypolls in November 2019 happened with the presence of central forces in over 60% of the booths, where AITC still won 3-0.